Okay, so the first workout we're gonna do, we're gonna jump some rope. We're gonna jump some rope, we're gonna do some squats, we're gonna do some sit-ups. We're gonna work out this core, we're gonna work out these legs and hamstrings. We're gonna get all that together. Alright, we're gonna start off with a 5-minute jump workout. I got my timer set and let's roll. Good morning. Two minutes left. Make sure you get a rope that fits your body. This rope too small for me. See how many jumps you can do without the rope stopping. I'm gonna do 50 this time. Next time. Every day you should get better. Every day you should see some improvement. Every single day, work to improve yourself. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a breather, stretch. Okay, we did our 5-minute jumps with the rope as a warm-up to get our heart rate up. The next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna do some squats, okay? I'm gonna use a crate to sit down on to show you how far down we're going. Like that song says, the Sexy Red say, we should say hands on your knees, hands on your knees, hands on your knees. So this exercise, it's called hands on your knees. You're gonna squat down like this. You're gonna put your hands on your knees like this. And then you're gonna go down. That's 1. Down. That's 2. Down. That's 3. Down. That's 4. Down. That's 5. We're gonna do 100 hands on your knees, okay? So I'm gonna start off by saying, hands on your knees, hands on your knees, Hands on your knees. And I'm gonna say down, you go down. Down. We're gonna do 100 of these, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's set 1. 5 sets of 20. Set 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wipe my face, get a drink. We're gonna go right into set 2. Set 3. Every day you should work to improve. Two more sets to go. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Set 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brief stretch. We're going right into the next set. We're on set 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last set. Your legs should feel like bricks at this point. And that's a good thing. Because when you're burning fat, your muscles gonna start burning. When they start burning, that means you're burning calories. When you're burning calories, you're burning fat. You want to burn off as much fat as possible. And you want to stretch your muscle. It's going to tear down and rebuild stronger. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wipe your face off, get some water. You want to stay hydrated while you're working out, because as you burn the calories, you're going to need more fuel. Okay, we did the hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Okay, so now we're gonna do the sumo squat. Okay, I'm gonna say sumo, 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 and this is the exercise. Put your hands down like this, kick up, squat. That's one. Sumo, 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 sumo. Tap your thighs. Kick up, squat. Tap your thighs. Kick up, squat. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. Okay? Here we go. Sumo, sumo, sumo.